Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Alzheimer's disease, AD, is the fifth leading cause of death in adults over 65 years old. Preliminary use of DBS in AD patients has produced mixed results, with variation in cognitive outcomes. These different outcomes may be due to discrepancies in electrode placements across patients. Researchers from Brigham and Women's Hospital, a founding member of the Mass General Brigham healthcare system, compared DBS targets in AD patients previously treated at 7 international sites, finding that stimulating the intersection of two particular brain networks correlated with better PAD. Findings are published in Nature Communications. Not many Alzheimer's patients have been treated with DBS, and so isolating a targetable network and showing that it could be predictive of patient outcomes was exciting, said corresponding author Andreas Horn, MD, PhD, of the Center for Brain Circuit Therapeutics. We refined an optimal DBS site, which future clinical trials of DBS may now use, going forward. If more patients are stimulated at this region, we may see clearer evidence across the group supporting the effectiveness of DBS. With the collaboration of colleagues from Toronto Western Hospital and 6 other centers, 46 patients with mild AD treated with DBS to the fornix, FX-DBS, were I. From there, the researchers calculated the target associated with optimal clinical outcomes and determined what modulations of local tracts and whole brain networks led to best results. Cognitive improvement was associated with DBS to the direct interface between the fornix and bed nucleus of the stria terminalis, involved in emotional and behavioral responses, with tract connections to the circuit of Pappas playing a role as well. This circuit connects to the hippocampus, A major. They developed a model that was able to accurately determine clinical outcomes in these 18 patients based on where electrodes had been placed during their FX-DBS procedures. They emphasize that neurodegeneration will progress even in patients who respond well to FX-DBS, but the procedure can potentially ameliorate symptoms. As clinical trials of DBS continue, the researchers are looking to collaborate further with centers that conduct DBS to better define targetable networks for AD. They are also interested in further studying the exact circuits involved in memory formation based on stroke lesions that lead to cognitive decline. The data we used in this study are unique, and it was an honor that the team entrusted us with it so that we could apply methods we have developed over the past 10 years to identify the sites in the brain that matter most for DBS in AD, Horn said. This is still basic science, but it may give hope in terms of potential treatments that, if applied correctly, could lead to symptomatic improvements. Funding. Horn is supported by the National Institutes of Health. R0113478451. 1R01NS127892. 01. 2R01. M. H113929. The New Venture Fund. FFOR Seedgra. Make a Difference. Sponsored Opportunity Story Source. Materials provided by Brigham and Women's Hospital. Note: content may be edited for style and length. B. Elias, Jürgen German, Aaron Lowe, Wissam Deeb, Fuyishui Wang, Kawin Setsumpop, Brian Salvato, Leonardo Brito de Almeida, Kelly D. Foote, Robert Amaral, Paul B. Rosenberg, David F. Tang Y, David A. Woke, Anna D. Burke, Stephen Salloway, Marwin N. Sabig, M. Malar Chakravarti, Gwen S. Smith, Co. 2022, December 14. Researchers mapped deep brain stimulation target for Alzheimer's disease. Science Daily. Retrieved December 14, 2022 from ift.tt/3kpen2f Brigham and Women's Hospital. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.